how to use Uber app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can use the Uber app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use the Uber app, all you have to do is, first of all, we're talking about the normal Uber riding application. So you can open up the Uber application as you would be able to find it here, and as you do that you will see this type of interface, which of course you want to make sure you want to sign in. So by default you have the home tab, you have the services tab as to what kind of service they offer, you have the activity tab, and you have the account tab. Now if you want to book a ride, you just have to come to the home tab, and then first you have to simply enter your pickup location. Now you can simply allow your phone's location over here, or you can simply go ahead and basically select any of the other location, and then you can select your destination location, and then you will be able to see the gathering options, whether you want Uber X, XL, Premier, SUV, or Premier, or other of the others such as package expressing and so on. So you can just tap on the Uber X option here, and as you do that you can just tap on the confirm pickup button, and when you tap on confirm pickup you will be able to go ahead and then basically finish your ride. And that's all it takes to use the Uber app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.